Oh, on ka video mfethu.
Believe that.
Aw, na ke re maybe on ka snack. Yes, I can comment.
Lishman, the real Lishman.
It's a little Lishman. As in, ukhombisa ukuthi this is the future. You understand? I want to show you some few cents that you just made. This is out of hustling. You understand? You must check.
This is in rands.
This is in rands, but it's still money. It's legal drug money. You understand? Believe that. You understand? It's halfway the month, but we still got money. But I mean, you understand? It must come to DS. You're gonna make money. Whatever you're pushing, clothes, music, hoes, money. That's what we are about. DS Network, motherfuckers! You understand? So just come to DS. Sure.